So you may recall that last year, 2020, during COVID staying home, I took down 16 trees that were around our house. Some of them were pretty big, just to open up the sky for the coming Starlink, but also for safety of the house, as these were way too close and leaning over the house, and at some point were going to fall on the house. One of them already had broken off and thankfully landed in a safe spot, but there were four trees left that I couldn't get because they were too close to the house, leaning over the house, and I just didn't have a safe direction to fall them. So I brought in an expert to take those down, and you get to watch a time lapse of that. Final result. Half of the firewood for this year now right here and stacked up. House definitely looks different.